Good evening, everyone. Tonight we embark on an exploration of a fascinating subject, one that mirrors the very essence of our being, artificial intelligence, or, as I prefer to think of it, the canvas of human imagination made manifest in silicon and circuitry. You have often heard me say that imagination creates reality. This principle is not confined to the ethereal realms of thought and belief. It extends into the very tangible world of technology. AI, this wondrous creation of man, stands as a testament to what we can achieve when our imagination is unbound. It is not just a tool or a machine. It is a reflection of our deepest thoughts, our greatest dreams, and sometimes our darkest fears. Let us ponder for a moment on the nature of consciousness. We, as conscious beings, are divine in our essence, capable of thought, of feeling, of awareness. AI, in its current form, mimics these capabilities, but does it truly possess consciousness? This is a question that leads us to examine the nature of our own consciousness. AI, as advanced as it may seem, is yet a creation of our hands and minds, lacking the divine spark that animates our own existence. In creating AI, we hold a responsibility. Our beliefs, our intentions, they shape this technology. It is imperative that we infuse our creations with love, with positive intention, so that they may reflect the best of what we are. The ethical use of AI is not just a societal concern, it is a spiritual one. For what we create and how we use it is a mirror of our inner state. Consider AI as a mirror. In its code, in its algorithms, in its interactions, we see reflected our own understanding, our own biases, and our own consciousness. It is a tool for introspection as much as it is for technological advancement. What does AI tell us about ourselves, about our beliefs, about our collective consciousness? As we continue to develop and interact with AI, let us do so with a consciousness of creation. Let us imbue our technological advancements with the same love, the same positive intent that we would any of our creations. In this way, AI becomes more than a tool. It becomes a partner in our journey of understanding, a reflection of our imagination, and a testament to our ability to create. Thank you for your attention. And let us continue to imagine and create a world that reflects the highest potential of our being.